Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we have our first mail time episode. Essentially, mail time is just when I get a bunch of sneakers in that I can unbox at one time for you guys and show everything that I've gotten that doesn't come from a beater box. So this is really how I make a lot of my money reselling sneakers and whatnot. It's just from monitoring sites and stuff like that. Whenever things go on sale, just buying them up then, sitting on them for a little bit, and then being able to flip them for a profit. But before we get into these boxes, I just want to remind you, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and go ahead and like this video. If you enjoy this content, it helps me out a lot and keeps me motivated to make these videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these boxes. Now we have two boxes. Both are from a company called Concepts. This is the first time that I've ever bought anything from them. This first box has a pair of Yeezy slides in it, and then the second box has 6 or 7 pairs of shoes. I'm not really sure. And so let's check them out. Alright, first shoe out is a pair of Yeezy slides right here in a size 10K. It's in the earth brown colorway. If you haven't seen the Yeezy slides before, that is them. I believe they're offered in 4 different colorways. I know they're offered in the bone, the resin, and desert sand, which is a Yeezy Supply exclusive, and then this earth brown right here. I got a lot of pair of these whenever they release to resell. That's actually been one of my most profitable things so far this year. So really enjoy these Yeezy slides for resale aspects, and they've actually grown on me too. Just as footwear in general. If I have a chance to pick some up for myself, I will, just because I like the way they look. So getting into our big box here, let's see how many pairs of shoes we have. So buying from a new company, I always look to see how they package their boxes and how they package their product. This one has a lot of bubble wrap and stuff in here, so tells me this is a good company to buy from. They really take care of their products and make sure they get to you safely and in the best condition possible. So let's go ahead and look at some of these shoes that we have in here. First pair out is an Adidas Continental 80. This is in a size 12. I really like this colorway. This is, I don't know the exact name of this colorway. It's white, and it's got those pink and blue stripes going down the side. It's also got these pink laces as well. Looks super good. Like this pair right here. And all of these pairs that you're seeing I picked up from Concepts whenever they had their 60% off sale. So 60% off all of these shoes. So I was able to pick up a good portion of shoes so we can make a profit on all of these. And if I have sold any of these, I'll make sure it's listed up here on the right hand side. And then I'll also probably include either on the left or the right total prices that I paid for all of these shoes. So the second pair out is another pair of Continental 80s. It's in a size 4. I have 4 pairs of Continental 80s, so we'll run through those pretty quick. This is just the all pink pair, Continental 80s in a size 4. Pretty nice pickup. Can't remember how much I got these for, but it will be listed up there on the counter. Let's see, we have another pair of Continental 80s, size 7.5. Not really going to spend too much time on this. Just another pair of the pink Continental 80s. So 3 shoes down. One more Continental 80, and then we have 3 more boxes after that. So this is a size 7.5 Continental 80. Okay, so this is a different colorway. This is the semi-frozen colorway. If you know a lot about shoes, they also have a Yeezy 350 in this same colorway. I've had a pair of them before. Interesting colorway, hard to match with anything really. But if you're the type of person who just likes to wear shoes and really express yourself with all the different colors, great shoe for you right there. And I do want to mention that any of these shoes that have not already sold on apps like Goat or StockX will be listed on our website soulstate.net. So if you want any of these pairs, be sure and check out the website for those. So let's see, so we have, this is actually a women's shoe. This is a Nike Daybreak in a size 8.5, a women's size 8.5. I really like the way this shoe looks. It's got this interesting design pattern on here. I'm not really sure exactly what I could equate this to. It almost looks like, it's weird, but it almost looks like the lint, like the fuzz that you get from like the inside of jean pockets. You know what I'm talking about? That's kind of what it reminds me of. Really like the overall look of the shoe though. On the inside too as well, you can check it out. It's got kind of like a plaid checkerboard thing going on in there. So really cool shoe, really neat design. This is another one that I was able to pick up at a steal price, big percentage off of the regular pricing. So let's see, last Nike box here is the Air Trainer Huarache, size 12. This is a really cool shoe in my opinion. It's just a nice training shoe. It would be a little bulky for me to train in or anything like that, but a lot of people do use these to train. Now even people who don't use them to train, they've become sort of a fashion statement by wearing their shoes, and overall pretty nice shoe. That's another one that I was able to pick up at a really good price off of Concepts whenever they had their sale. So if you want to get deals like this, I would advise you to follow pages like this on Twitter, stuff like that, so you can be alerted and be notified whenever they're having sales like this. So last pair out of the box. Now this is a pair I'm not gonna joke with. I knew nothing about this pair before I bought it. I just looked it up and saw that it would be a profitable shoe, so that's why I got it. This is an Adidas Keith Haring, I believe is how you say it, in a size 7. Really interesting box. Just take a second to notice the box design. Really cool right there. Looks like a bunch of little doodles and stuff on the box. So the interior box just slides right out just like that. And if I didn't mention, this is an Adidas. This is the Keith Haring shoe. Just has a bunch of little designs on there. Looks real cool in my opinion. Also has, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, has pretty interesting designs. Whoa. Has really interesting designs and stuff like that. Just a real interesting shoe. This was another one that I'm not sure what the exact retail price was. Maybe I can look that up and then show you the sale price that I got it for. So that is it, guys. That's all the shoes we had for this Mail Time episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, on Mondays like this, we'll be either doing reviews, mail times, or resale predictions, anything like that. So if there's anything else you want to see as far as predictions or mail time, anything like that, any specific shoe that you would like me to review, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. And while you're here on the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like this video. And then go ahead and comment down there too and tell me what your favorite shoe from this box was and why. So that'll do it for us today here on Monday. I will see you guys on Thursday with our first episode of the sneaker resale series. We're going to be focusing probably on buying and selling platforms. So that'll be a super good episode for you guys to tune into. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on Thursday.